Hi, I'm Cheyenne. I'm a senior design and sales technician here at Wholesale Solar. I help customers design systems for their homes. I also work with some commercial applications as well as telecom. In addition to working here at Wholesale Solar, I'm also pursuing my degree in managerial economics. You know, with economics, it's kind of like, here are your choices, and better is relative. You know, what is good for somebody may not be good for another person, and I really try to clarify that for our customers. So my dad lived off-grid in the Mount Shasta forest, or he still lives off-grid actually, so we still have the property out there. So I have a lot of experience living without power lines. My favorite part about living off-grid, the peace and quiet. I mean, 100%, like just no noise, just have that space and be able to really, you know, appreciate my surroundings and just be away from it all. Oh gosh, there's so many. I love Nirvana, I love the Red Hot Chili Peppers, no doubt, TLC, Destiny's Child, our Spice Girls 90s. I mean, I like Tim McGraw, Shania Twain. Who's my favorite Disney princess or prince? Do the princes really matter? My favorite Disney princess is Belle. I have two cats. Yeah, I have two cats named Bibis and Niklaus.